I received the Excel Award, which is given by WHAS to educators that go above and beyond. It feels overwhelming and I feel honored but very humbled. I am one of many amazing educators, and I attribute the work that I do to the people that I'm surrounded by at Slate Run. And this whole process has been really fun because I've gotten to reflect back on my journey. I've been in teaching for 10 years. So it's been really fun to think about the girl who started as a teacher and the girl who sits here today being honored. I think sometimes we associate with an award that you're oh, my work is done and I've done this great thing. But with education, everything is always changing. There's more students to help. And so for me, this whole journey, again, because of the reflection piece, just exposed a lot of things that I'm man, I can get better here and I can get better there. It's an honor and I'm enjoying that today, but I'm also going to use that to just keep pushing forward, keep working for our students. Today was a big day for New Albany Floyd County School Corporation. My name is on the Excel Award as Exceptional Teacher. I'm a representative of the people in this building and the corporation that I'm a part of who pour into each other so that we all are exceptional teachers. It's a collaborative effort of everything that we do, so it's not a job you do alone.